Okay, so how to fix your audio for videos used in Google Meet. So first we go to the search bar, type in manage sound devices. Okay, manage sound devices here, and by default it's disabled. We need to enable stereo mix, so click that, enable it, and close it. Now go to your Meet. If you want to share your video using VLC or any other video player, just go to settings, click settings, and then here you now have an option for stereo mix. When you click this, any player that you use for videos like PowerPoint and VLC will be heard through Google Meet. Now after that, if you want to use your mic again, you have to switch back to microphone. Okay, so that's how you fix video sounds in Google Mix. Thank you.